scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up.
Particle direction questions get easy fast when you track the velocity signs instead of the position, and we can lock this one in quickly. Differentiate the parametric equations because direction comes from velocity. dx over dt equals 2 cosine t, and dy over dt equals negative 1/2 sine of t over 2. Now plug in t equals 2 pi over 3. Then dx over dt is 2 cosine 2 pi over 3, which is negative, and dy over dt is negative 1/2 sine 2 times t pi over 3, which is both velocity components are negative, so the particle is moving left because x is decreasing and down because y is decreasing, which matches one choice. Well done! Option D, scan now. Watch the signs and avoid rushing. Trust the given equations, then check each step before choosing direction.